This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Claudia Cano. Welcome to this spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom single-story home in the heart of Gibsonton, FL. Boasting a well-designed split floor plan, this home offers both functionality and comfort. As you enter through the foyer, you're greeted by a formal living room, perfect for additional entertainment space or a home office. The open-concept kitchen, dining, and family room create an inviting atmosphere for gatherings and everyday living. The primary suite is thoughtfully positioned at the front of the home for added privacy, featuring its own hallway, a spacious ensuite bath, and easy access to the laundry room. The remaining 3 bedrooms and main bath are located towards the rear of the home, providing a great layout for families or guests. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, and major highways for an easy commute to Tampa and surrounding areas. Don't miss this opportunity to own a beautiful and functional